Prime Minister Narendra Modi condolences loss of lives in the tragic collision in Washington, D.C., says heartfelt condolences to the families of the victims. Prime Minister says we stand in solidarity with the people of the United States. Let me now go back to my colleague Akanksha Swarup. Akanksha, a very crucial statement that is coming in from Prime Minister Modi at this time. He is in fact condoling the death of no survivors, of course, have in fact been in this particular incident. So he is in fact extending his regret to the incident.
Absolutely. As I highlighted, Sherin, that this is the first major commercial airline crash in the United States since 2009. Back then in 2009, 50 people had died in that plane crash, and this time around over 60 people have lost their lives. So having said that, this is one that is being mourned over, not just by people in the United States, but also by Prime Minister Modi. Remember, the congressional hearings are also currently on as far as appointments of even a Kash Patel or Tulsi Gabbard are concerned. Kash Patel also shared his condolences. So everybody is currently mourning this airline crash that's happened. Prime Minister, of course, being one of the first few people to be sending his condolences as well. Not to forget that Prime Minister has also been in close touch with President Donald Trump last week. In fact, it was just some days ago that he also exchanged a phone call with the president. They've also exchanged plans to, in fact, schedule a meeting, expect one to happen in February. And so that is the kind of close connection and perhaps that message coming out from Prime Minister Narendra Modi that is condoling the demise of so many of those people who were there on that flight also goes on. It's a strong messaging that India stands in solidarity in times of grief, in times of need with the United States.
All right. Thank you, Akanksha, for putting all those details into perspective. Many thanks for joining with us. And now we are getting another breaking input.